Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be talking about Gummy on Solana. We're gonna do a quick video about the price prediction and the latest update about the airdrop. So let's dive in. We can go to a DEX tool and see how much they're trading for today. So it's trading at 0.11. It's down 2% today, and it's trading number 5. It's been trading between number 1 and number 9 like from the beginning of this token. Sometimes it's number 1, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3. Now it's trading number 5. So the market cap is 111 million. Liquidity is 2.76 million. So the daily volume for today is 498 million. And this token, it's been here for almost, 2 weeks now? And it's doing a lot of noise, as you know, guys. So what is the latest update? Let's go to their Twitter. You can see here, this says, TOOKER holders get 10% of the next Gummy Airdrop. They didn't say when, but this says TOOKER holders get 10% of the next Gummy Airdrop. So what is TOOKER? TOOKER is a meme coin on Solana. Also, they have a partnership with Gummy. And you can see here, they're trading number 1 because everybody wanna take advantage of this airdrop. So everybody is buying this token. Guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing the information, the latest information about this token, about Gummy token. So do your own research before participating in any project. And guys, I'm not asking nobody to buy this token or sell it. It's your decision. It's your money. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just sharing my information with you guys. So if you would like to participate, is your choice. If you don't, is your choice. So like I said, it's trending number 1 now because everybody is taking advantage of this and everybody wanna get a free airdrop tokens. So let's go back here to Gummy Twitter. You can see here, and there is a competition going on about the tattoos. If you got a tattoo, you're gonna get the airdrop. People are getting crazy about this. Everybody's getting tattoos. Look at this guy. He's in his leg. Look at this guy. This is the funny thing. He is getting a tattoo in his butt. That's crazy, guys. Let's go here. Let's go back here. And they just put this one 8 minutes ago. They're gonna have a major Gummy announcement on May 9 at 2:30 p.m. So if you would like to get the latest update and a major announcement like they said on May 9, we don't know what's this major announcement. So this is what's going on with the token right now. So if you would like to participate in getting 10% of the token, it's your choice, it's your money. All what you have to do, you have to copy this address, TOOKER address, and buy it and hold it in your wallet until they took a snapshot of your tokens. And you will get, they said they're gonna give 10% for the holders. So this is the latest update about this token right now. So guys, don't hesitate to subscribe and like this. You will get the latest updates and you will be the first to know what's going on and you take advantage of it. So as you know, guys, the first guy know about the information, those are the first guys who's making benefits. So if you would like to be from those guys and make benefit, subscribe to my channel, like this, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and see you on the next video, guys.